told y'all the journey does not stop. Alright, are we hunkering down for Harvey? Hurricane Harvey?
Check it out and see. You check it out and see.
Oh, you did get chips. And you still never used it.
Oh, we never opened them?
Nope.
Yay.
So we're here in the belly of the beast. What's in there? Oh, so I'm about to cook the spaghetti. Sean and the kids just got here. They about to take a bath, and we about to just settle on in for the long haul. They say this thing might be 3 to 5 days long, so we just gonna chill and enjoy each other's company. Your people is okay? They no, that's where the lemonade going.
Okay, get it together. Get that going. Let's get that going.
Well, I always think this is a real animal.
I know.
Something on your shirt.
Isn't it silly? Oh, they got baked beans in here.
Yeah, I told you.
Look at the baked beans.
We can do a lot of
I
stuff.
haven't had baked beans in a minute.
Let me see what this girl doing. So far, nothing too much on Hurricane Harvey, but a bunch of rain. It's raining real bad outside. That's about it. Rain and wind. All right, well, we made it through the morning. It's been raining all night. As you can see, let me see if I can zoom in. Sean's sitting right by the window, which you probably shouldn't. But it's been raining all night, and it's now about 8:30, 8:45 in the morning. Rain. Of course, we get some wind and whatnot, but day 2 of Hurricane Harvey. So far, seems like a typical hurricane. There have been tornado touchdowns. I go to sleep. There have been tornado touchdowns in the area, but not really in our area. More south of us. What you want, Sean? Did you eat your breakfast? Here we are in Harvey. It's a lot of rain, wind. Rain off and on. So it rains and then it stops. The sun even came out today, but now it's back raining. Can't really see it because somebody closed the window. But it's just wind and rain. They even said there's a tornado further south of us, creeping north. So we're gonna keep an eye out for that. The kids have been watching TV all day. And we've been watching the news, pretty much getting alerts every 20, 25 minutes. An alert will come across our thing. But why can't we watch a football game? The Saints play the Texans today, and tonight is Mayweather's fight. So I don't know how I'm gonna get to see the Mayweather fight. I might have to see if anybody's posting it. But we're just, like my mama said last night, hunkering down. She was like, who made up that word? She was like, who made up that word? Hunkering down. So, Houston, just what we deal with. Everybody I check on, they say it's just a lot of wind, rain. My sister who lives in San Antonio, her lights were flickering off and on a couple times. But she said nothing other than wind or rain. They said this is gonna last all the way till Thursday. This is Saturday. I just talked to my pastor's wife, and she said there might not be, chances are there's not gonna be church tomorrow, but she'll let us know tonight. So we will find out.
Oh, I told you. I'd like to see my father. It's a toilet. Oh no. got money. How you doing? Hey.
Now that little dance she was doing was great.
Everybody! Hey!
Go Jasmine, dance with mommy.
Everybody! Stop, Jamal.
Alright, we're on day 3. Is it day 3 of Harvey? Who that?
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
3.
Like this big piece?
I thought we could put this down. It's supposed to stop. It does stop.
Alright, we're on day 3. Keisha and I are about to watch Suicide Squad. The kids are here. They don't have to go back to school till after Labor Day. Keisha don't have to go back to work till after Labor Day. I have no clue when I have to go back to work. Probably the middle of next week. But this hurricane is settling in one area and then it's turning around and coming back through our area. So everybody's worried about that. So they're trying to be careful. So we're about to watch this move. What you think?
Get up, Sean. And then we just gonna hunker down and stay dry and stay safe. And we checking on everybody else and praying that everybody else stays dry and stays safe. Stay inside, don't try to get out.
That's all you can do. Taking a day by day. We've been sitting here. Lights never went out, thank the Lord. Electricity, and we're just in the belly of the beast.
The belly of the beast. Here
We just sitting here
Sean, look,
enjoying each other company. What y'all making?
a bluebird. Angry bird.
I thought Bluebird was this.
Alright, we'll be back on in a
I thought
second.
Bluebird was this.
Out in Rosenberg, Texas, southwest of downtown Houston. And look at the road compromised, and you can see that narrow area of asphalt, and that is going to come down. That's pretty much a given. Just the sheer weight of gravity is going to pull that down. And there's part of the road left.
I swear it sounds like they cursing with all these beeps.
The concrete. Now that was up on the side. That was to keep folks from going over into this creek, and that came down too. So this is there. Look, see that drain? The drain on the right just shifted. Any moment now it's going to come crashing down. So that drain of the 3 drains just shifted on camera from right to left, and we're expecting this road to collapse at any minute. At least more of this road to collapse. Got it blocked.
All right, here we are, day 4 of Hurricane Harvey. It's back raining again. It just rains off and on. The sun comes out and it goes right back to raining. The news crew is talking about what should be happening. Keisha's been cooking some good food. We haven't lost any electricity, thank God. I've been off of work, she's been off of work, kids been off of school. So we've really been relaxing. I need to edit this video probably tonight. So I'm going to capture as much as I can, and then I'll turn this off and it'll post tomorrow for Tuesday. So I'll check in with y'all later.
Good morning!
We are day 5. Day 5 with this. Day 5. We're actually about to get out of the house today. It's drizzling, but we need to go to the... Honestly, I need to go to a gas station. They said to fill up beforehand. I couldn't do that, but we also need some groceries. We got enough to make it to Friday, but we're cutting it close, so we just want to see if we can get some more. I don't know if that's possible, and I don't know what gas stations are open or if any are open. But I'm gonna end this here because I have to post this today, and I'll start a new one about Harvey. We're still alive, no power out. I will talk to you band members later. You heard me? So we are out here in the streets. Got the kids out. We're trying to find gas, but it's not really working. We found a convenience store that's open, so we're grabbing some things. Hopefully they're not price gouging us. Keisha went in there. I need some gas. I'm down to 3 little pegs for gas, and my tire is not. Say my tire pressure is low, so we're about to see what we can find real quick in this area. All right, so we found some gas finally, and I was able to fill up. Got a little aggravated with each other. We started yelling at each other, and I found a creative way to get the gas I needed because somebody was blocking the pump. So I was able to do it. So anyways, Keisha's now in this store, a Valero gas station, trying to get some items for some items that wasn't in the first store. So hopefully we'll be all right. We'll make it to Friday. We can hold on to Friday. I think we all will be okay. Kids are in good spirits. Y'all okay? Jazzy? You okay? All right. So this is a line at the grocery store. There's actually a line of people, as you can see. There's the back of the line. But these people are all trying to get into this grocery store.